Guess what I got? I got a new electric car speed champion set. As you can see, it comes with a Jaguar Formula E car and an eTROPHY race car. Since they are electric cars, now is a great time to compare electric and gas cars. Gas cars versus electric cars. But before we get started, let's do a quick build of the set. Enjoy it! Alright, now for the fun parts. We made a checklist to show you which one's the best, gas or electric. First one up, let's see which one's faster.
3, 2, 1, go!
As you can see, the electric car's a lot faster. So the first check mark goes here. Next up, let's see how well they turn corners. The more weight you have at the bottom of the car, the better it can handle. Electric cars have their massive battery at the bottom, so they handle better. Next up, let's compare the noise they make. Electric cars may be more quieter, but gas cars sound more cool. See what I'm talking about now? Gas cars get their first check. Next up, let's see which car costs more to run. As you can see from the picture, electric cars have a lot less moving parts compared to gas cars, so there's less things to break in an electric car. Also, the cost of electricity is cheaper than the cost of gas, especially if you have solar panels. This is an easy one, electric wins. Next up is how efficient they are. Efficient is how well they use their energy. As you can see from the video, as the electric car slows down, it recharges the battery. Electric wins the efficiency race. Alright, what about filling up and charging? Which one do you think is better? This was an easy one. Gas cars win big. Now for the most important one. How do these cars treat the earth? Oh gosh, look at all that smoke. This is an easy winner here. Actually, the earth's way more important. Let's put a bit more. That's much better. That's the end of our checklist. Overall, the electric wins. That's the end, guys. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.